Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'll be showing you the most effective marketing strategies for your online business. These strategies will help you reach your ideal customer. So before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. There are 5 P's of marketing that we're going to go over, and then we're going to focus on how to implement one of them in your online business. The 5 P's of marketing are people, product, place, price, and promotion. Number 1, people. Who are your target customers? Where do they live? Number 2, product. What product or service are you selling? Number 3, place. How and where will your customers be able to receive or buy your product or service? Number 4, price. What price will your customers perceive as reasonable for your product or service? Number 5, promotion. How do you intend to advertise your business? So now we're going to focus on promotion specifically. If you want your promotion to be successful, ask yourself these questions. Number 1, how will you grab the attention of your target market? Number 2, how can you make your products desirable? Number 3, how does your product or service meet the needs of your customers? Number 4, how does your product or service make your customers feel about themselves? You want to make sure that you focus your message on the product's benefits and features. You want to show your customers that the benefits and features relate to them. And then ask your customers to take action. Give them a reason to act right away. For example, offering a discount for a limited time. And that's it. Effective marketing strategies that you can implement in your business for your products or services. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.